Yo, what is up YouTube? My name is Wikus and welcome to the Week Trading channel. In last week's analysis, we saw that the market should continue bullish. The market decided to do a bit of a consolidation within the previous week's candle. I still believe that Nasdaq should continue bullish, seeing that the market closed just above the previous week's bullish closure. I told you about the 3 buys that I had in the market and wanted to see how long I can hold them to make as much profit as possible. Unfortunately, I had to close them out, but I made a good amount of profits on them. I want to show you a screenshot of one of the sell entries that I caught this week. Just have a look at that perfect entry. What it comes down to is ABCD patterns in the market. You follow the momentum of the market, you follow the trend in the market, you look for the ABCD patterns, and you look for the supports and resistance zones that correlate the perfect spots on the ABCD patterns. And then you take that as an entry. Thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please be so kind to click on the like button, the subscribe button, as well as the bell notification to be notified when I upload more videos to YouTube. And before I take too much of your time, let's get straight into the analysis. So having a look at the weekly, we have broken out of the little consolidation zone, and I would almost call it a fear zone that the market created for us, and it seems like the market wants to continue bullish. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place this horizontal ray or this horizontal ray there to show that the market struggled to break through this area for 2 weeks, actually 3 weeks, and then the market closed above that area now on Friday. And it's a good sign. It shows that my overall analysis of the market still continuing bullish is correct at this stage. So what I'm also going to do is I'm just going to mark off this area here at the top of this week, as that is a completion of that resistance area there. And just have a look at it. The market closed above it as well, showing that it's a complete breakout or closure of the weekly. Now, it could be a fake out. There's a possibility the market can go down, but at this stage, I'm not seeing it. What I am seeing is a bull push. But what I want to show you though is if I just take the whole market in front of me like this for this whole trend going up, I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to pull a line or draw a line from the bottom up and just show you. Okay, let me just delete that one quickly, draw a new one. If we do this, we've got this nice trend going up, and then we've got a little bit of a jump down, a little bit of a jump down, and again, and like that. So what this is showing is that the market is at this stage losing a little bit of momentum. So we can see the market's pushing up here, and then the market's basically moving more horizontal now than it moved diagonal. So it's showing that there's a bit of a loss in momentum. It's not saying that the market is going to drop or fall. What it is saying that there's a loss of momentum, and the market can very possibly turn around and go down again, but the market can easily just jump up and continue up again like it did here. So basically it went up there, lost of momentum, and then just jumped up and ran away. So the market can do that. Just keep in mind that there's a possibility the market is losing a bit of momentum. So taking away this this brush tool that I draw there, keeping those two there for now, is having a look. A lot of people would see this specific area here as a bit of a, how can I say, it's an order block, or people could see it as an order block, and the market's closed below it. So the market can easily just drop from down there away from the market and go into a massive sell and easily fall to the bottom of this consolidation zone or even further. Now, there's a very strong possibility for that happening, but what I am seeing is that the market is not forming mostly bearish areas. So if we look at this bearish engulfing candle there, and we look at this little trend here, we are forming more bull candles than we are forming bearish candles, and it's a more consistent bullish movement than a consistent bearish movement. So what I am seeing is a bit more bearish or bullish movement in the market than bearish, and I'm expecting the market to continue with that bull momentum to the top. Okay. So going now to a lower time frame, to the 4 hour, just to have a look at what the market's doing here. We had actually, this was just a perfect easy tradable area here as the market started forming that pole there, and then formed a new or a beautiful pennant once again, something like that. I'm not going to draw it in like absolute perfection, but round about like that. So the market formed these this year, and then the pennants basically broke out of it, retested it, and continued up on Friday. So that was just an easy trade there. I got this sell here at perfect. So literally, if I put my trade a $1 up in the market, the spread wouldn't have activated my trade. It was literally the most absolute perfect entry. In last week's analysis, I showed that the market should not fall below 49.50 in the analysis. And that's actually what the market did. It didn't go below that area, so just marketing it off quickly. Or 49.50, not 59.50. 49.50, around about there. So I said the market, if the market comes down, it would not go below that area, and that's exactly what happened. The market came down, it didn't go below the area, and went back up. So what that basically means for me is that the overall concept of what happening in the market, in the bull momentum, is actually playing out, and I'm still waiting for the market to go up to at least 15,700 before we start seeing massive bear momentum in the market at this stage. I've got a big analysis that's running, and that's been playing out quite nicely. This whole area at this stage here, I got a lot of epic trades in the last 2-3 weeks in the market. That's been playing out quite nicely. Actually the last 2 weeks. So this week will be my third week of absolutely epic trades. So what I'm expecting, the market continuation. We can still play around in this specific area, but as long as we stay above this 49.50, I'm just keeping on playing around this area. I will not go into buys or sells in the middle of it. It will either be here at the top or either here at the bottom. So buys at the bottom, sells at the top. I caught this one with absolute perfection, as I said, and it was just a beautiful trade. I didn't get the buy up, as you could have actually caught this buy very easily, but I didn't take it. I was happy with this one. I was stayed in the market. Once again, I was happy and I was satisfied, and that's an emotional feeling. So I decided, well, I'm not going to bring emotions into trading. I'm just going to leave it out. I made good enough profits on that sell. Let's just leave it there. And yeah, so what I'm expecting, the market to continue bullish. So yeah, I hope this analysis helped you. If you've got any questions, or you don't agree with my analysis, or you agree with it, or you want to ask something or anything, just please leave a comment down below. Leave a comment. I would love to communicate with you and chat about your analysis. If you don't agree with me, if you agree with me or anything, you are also more than welcome to join the free Telegram group. I will leave the description down below, or the link in the description down below. Join the Telegram group, start chatting with us. It's a free Telegram group. I don't post a lot of stuff there. Sometimes I post the analysis, sometimes a secret signal, and I share the YouTube videos there and stuff like that. But I'm very open to people chatting with me. As soon as someone sends the message, I reply on the messages, and I love doing that. So it'll be great if you join the Telegram group, if you're not part of Wick Trading, just to find out a little bit more. And if you want more information about the Wick Trading and the Wick Trading courses and the signals groups that I have, you can also just visit the website. The link will be in the description down below. Everything is there, but you can find my cell number anywhere. You can find it in the Telegram groups, and you can find it on my website, I think. So just pop me a message directly on WhatsApp or Telegram as well. I'm more than open to chat with you and actually help you start trading NASDAQ more successfully. It's an amazing pair to trade, and it's a really profitable thing to do. So yeah, I hope this video helps you, and awesome. So once again, thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please click on the like button, the subscribe button, as well as the bell notification. It helps the video more than you would know. And I will see you all in the next one. Have a legendary week. Cheers.